So here's what I'm gonna do. So whenever I say, just for example,
Hey, turn over the volume.
ano po? Hello? Everyone can hear me, right?
Yeah, yeah, you're good.
Okay, so
Yes, we can hear
let's say,
you.
let's say for example, I send a buy limit during around this time frame. Normally, I would send sell limit and buy limit to a swing trade. I don't place buy limit. Sometimes I do sell and I do place sell limit and buy limit to scalps. Mainly, I send signals, buy limit and sell limit through swing trades only. So how do I place that? Let's say, for example, I send a signal, let's say around this area, 65371, around this area. So I would do like this, depending on your capital, right? Kung capital nyo po ay is around $500, you would risk around 5% of that. You don't risk more than 50% of your um, capital kasi magko-close siya. Normally, bababa din po siya kasi there's a call liquidity grab and liquidity, meron po siyang liquidity grab tapos nagbe-base siya. What I mean by that is katulad po nito, pag sinabi ko dito sa inyo na magse-sell limit kayo dito around this time, this is how I place it. When I say for example 65389.02 sell limit, I would do like this. I would press this, the one on the top. Kita niyo po itong um, clock na yun sa taas. I would go like this. I would place like that. I would risk about 0.10 lots. And then I would paste. Tapos ilalagay ko po yung aking TP. So, let's say for example, sinabi ko TP is around this area. This is what I love MT5 the most kasi makakalculate niya yung kung ano mga papanalo nyo around this area. So whenever I move my cursor, it would calculate how much I would profit. So I would profit around this area. I would place like that. Or you can modify it kung ano po ang gusto nyong may TTP. Normally, go after my signals. Yung kung ano pong nilagay ko pong number, that's been modified already. Just like that. And then to place as an SL, pipindutin niyo po yung nasa SL sa baba. Like that. And I would place my stop loss around this area. Just like that. So, kapag, let's say for example, kapag punta na siya dito, nag-sell limit na siya, right? Di ba guys? Bumababa na siya. I would adjust my stop loss around this area to make it break even. This is what they call the break even. So, kapag nag-retest po ulit siya, pataas, you would still make money out of it. So, I would adjust my SL. So, whenever I send signal, adjust SL to positive position to make it break even, or you can adjust it through here or through here. So, kapag hindi ko ma-adjust kasi hindi pa siya nati-triggered ng market yung aking place sell limit. Just like that. So, kapag halimbawa, for example, bumaba na siya dito, papunta dito, and then, pag bumaba na po siya dito, tapos biglang tumaas, you would still make money. It would hit stop loss, but you would still make money. For example, 27 Canadian dollar. That's how I do it. Now, we can ngayon naman sa buy limit, I would place my I would place my buy limit order around this area. Normally, I would put my buy limit on a higher time frame, like say for example H4 or H1. Normally, nasa H1 lagi ako sa XAU USD, right? This is how I this is what I call the swing trade, right? I would place my buy limit order here. Yan. You can go after your day, go do whatever you're gonna do with your life. So you don't have to watch the market kasi magre-retest pa uli siya dito pababa. Pag nag-retest siya dito, tataas uli siya because Bitcoin, you know Bitcoin is always gonna go up. It's never gonna go down. It's never gonna hit $30,000. It has to hit $100,000 by 2025. Magiging 200,000 pa nga yung Bitcoin eh. So, I would place my TP around this area. If you're gonna swing around this area, and I will put my stop loss around this area. Normally, kapag ako nagte-trade during live, ang risk-reward ratio ko during scalps is baliktad. The reason why is because I'm only going for shorts. Sometimes I send signal of 1 to 4 risk reward ratio. Yung mga meron ng mga every signals that I send, meron po siyang 1 to 4 ratio na risk reward. But I don't send it because I always stay above TP1 and TP2. TP3 is more likely is gonna retest before it hits TP3. Pero dun pa rin siya pupunta. So, kaya nga meron pong TP1 and TP2 and TP3 and TP4. The reason why they did that is because so you can maximize yung risk reward ratio. And then, pwede ka mag take profit on TP1 and TP2. You can place there. You can stop your profit. Pagdating sa TP3, bababa uli siya sa TP1 to break even. So instead na bumaba siya mag-retest, you can take that profit and then let it hit break even on TP1. Pwede ka mag-place ulit doon ng buy order and then it would hit TP3. Ganon yon. That's why yung nakikita nyo sa mga shift signals, yung mga signals sa relic, sa shift up, meron silang TP3, TP4, TP5. Hindi na ako pumupunta sa mga TP5, TP3, TP4 because the higher the TP, the higher the risk. That's why I always stay above TP1 and TP2. So, we can talk about what happened on Friday. I can all explain that. Kung ano nangyari dito sa nung Friday. Mas maganda kasi ito sa laptop ko eh. I can see everything. Pwede mag-switch lang muna ako sa we can talk about the news too. I can show you the news. Let me switch to laptop real quick. Owen, mag-switch muna ako sa laptop.
Yeah. Okay. Alright, so commercial po muna tayo. So, please grab your coffee or your, mag-CR lang po kayo kung gusto nyo. Magbabalik. Alright, so is everybody learning? Type 1, drop mo naman dyan or make a noise.
Yes.
Wala sa ayos. Okay, so guys, wait lang po tayo, no? Ayun, so hinahanap pa niya yung laptop niya. Alright, so guys, ma-announce ko lang po sa lahat po, no? Meron po tayong event sa ano sa Toronto this coming ano siya, October 19. So if you are free that time, if you're not doing anything, please come. Wait. Meeting ID. Okay. Okay. Free admission, yes, free po. So sagot na po siya ng company for the very first time and magfa-fly po yung founders sa Toronto and I think it's their second time in Canada but with you know if if you want to see a bigger picture of our business, so attend po kayo, no, if you're around the area, kung free po kayo. So location we have yet to be confirmed. Naghahanap pa lang po kami ng ng venue to accommodate at least mga 500 plus people in there. Kasi where people are flying from ano ng people are flying from different parts of the world. They're flying from US, Canada. So, okay. So, andito na po. Nagbabalik ang ating trainer. Ko-host ko lang siya. Alright. Okay. Pwede ka na mag-share screen, man. Whenever you're ready. Yeah, I mean, if you've been in Toronto for a while, please message me kung meron po kayong alam na pwede nating gamitin na venue. And don't be worried about the cost kasi sagot po ng company yan. They don't go cheap when it comes to holding an event. So, let me know kung ano pong magandang place.
Bakit ka na-smile, mother?
Sila yung mga pinicturean ako nakatima. Ay, sorry po. Nasa Zoom pala tayo.
Huling-huli ka.
Boss Lemar, ha?
Ayun na po. So, nag-share na po siya ng screens. Can everybody see? Speak up lang po, no? Or drop number 1.
Okay, naririnig niyo po ako? Can you guys see my screen na po?
Yeah.
It's loading.
Okay. So, some of you are at, nung last Friday, ganito po nangyari dyan. Factory. Same Forex Factory. Same news. USD JPY. So, hindi ka mahanap. Okay. So, yung Forex Factory, yung isesend ko na lang po yung link dun sa baba. Dun sa group chat kung saan po yung kung saan po yung Forex Factory. It's called Forex Factory. Kung saan po yung lumalabas yung mga news. It's not showing up. Yan, ito. Let's say, there we go. Okay, so ganito po this is how the news work. Kapag red folder, ray means high impact, high volume, mabilis ang galawan ng market. Just like this one right here. Yan yung nasa Friday. It's supposed to go up to 2670 during that time. Instead of has to go down. Kasi gawa ng news, binaba ng news nung last week. Saan yan? Tatlong folder yun eh. Ito yun nung last Friday. There's like 3 folders. Tapos meron pang sumubod dito pati rin si Federal Chair Powell speaks nung last Friday. There's like 3 folders. Yung 3. Yan yung tatlong So I don't normally trade on news. I normally trade on kapag walang news. I always stay to avoid it kasi it's basically gambling. You have to put stop loss kasi masusunog ka doon. Also, yun lang. That's all for yun lang yung mention ko ngayon. News, buy limit, and sell orders. If you have any questions, feel free to say anything. I can all explain. Meron po ba kayong mga tanong? Everyone? Meron kayong tanong? Is the gold gonna go up? Yes. Gold is gonna go up. Gold is gonna go up to 2680. I don't know when yet. 2690 around this area. I will please explain the chart a bit. What do you want to know? Gino. Ano pong gusto niyo pong malaman? Lang po. Wait lang.
Hello? The 2 points on the top and below. Which 2 points? Ito ba? This one and this one? The 2 points. This one? Oh, this one right here. Oh, okay. So this is what I call the trend line zone. Normally, I would put kasi nung nag-replay ako dyan, aling pong first point. Okay. 26, 30. Dito po? Two, 6, 5, 6, and 2, 6, 10. Ito po? October 6? Around saan po? Oh, right here. This one. So dito and dito po. Yeah, yeah. So ito pong nangyari po ito, it already happened before I placed a trend line. During this time, that the trend is already around this area. So, meron po akong meron pong before and after niyan eh. This is on 1 hour time frame. Meron ako dito eh. Nasaan yun? Nasaan yung downloads? Yan. Yeah, so ganyan po yung akin nung last time. Ganyan. Ganyan siya mangyayari. Nung kailan to? Nung 2010 to nung kailan to nangyayari? Shit. Nung Wednesday, October 2, nangyari. October 2. Yan no. Kita nyo guys? How I predicted all that? It went. So, how did I know this? Wait lang. Shit. Ganyan no. Nasaan yung isang bar ko dito? So, this is gonna be a quick one. Okay. Ito po nangyari dyan. Katulad nung nag-araw, just like I predicted, it went up above my line, right? Because I was shooting for 2670 around this area. I was shooting around this area, 2670. Nung Friday, I sent a signal around 2668 2668 ba yun? And 2669 just before 2670. The reason why I send 2669 so everyone can hit the TP before it hits. Yeah. So the reason why I send signal 22669 is because between those numbers 2670 and 2669, I prefer 2669 other than 2670. Kasi yung 2670, I started noticing that you guys aren't hindi pa nahi-hit yung TP. So so what I do, I decrease it by 1 point. So everyone para ma-hit lahat yung TP. I just have to sacrifice one number para lahat ma-hit yung TP kasi hindi pwede laging sakto. So just like that. So any more questions, guys? Ano pang gusto niyo pong malaman?
Ano daw yung purple lines? Are they supply and demand?
Let's see. I think the one line. The purple lines are supply and demand. Yes po. Purple lines and the purple lines on the top is the supply. This is what I call the sell zone. And then this is the strong demand zone. I buy here around this area. This is what I call the swing trade. Kapag, let's say for example, delete ko na to. I have to analysis again. I would stretch this line around this area again. I would stretch my line around this area. Around this area. See. Just like that. Yung iba, they prefer 1 hour and they prefer 4 hours. They prefer 4 hours. I prefer 1 hour because I can see I can see the market a little bit more. Yes. So I will give you guys a free example. Probably just one. Right? Probably isa lang. Oh no. Let's say mga dalawa. Let's do a live trading. Yeah. Yeah, let's go gold. Let's see. Hindi po ako nagbi-BTC. Yeah, yeah. So I would. Okay, let's go replay. Let's go replay. Okay. So right now, the market is in consolidation mode. I would place my demand zone around here. We're gonna monitor the market. Okay, so around this area is gonna be our what do you call it? Yung second demand zone. I call it para sa akin, this is my strategy. Okay. This I call yung I buy here, I sell here around this area. Right? I sell and buy this area, and then I buy here. Okay, so pag titingnan na, this is 1 hour. I would say this area is malakas yung kanyang demand. So I would, pag nakikita ko pong ganyan, pumupunta na po siya sa demand, I would go around on 15 minutes. Okay, so now that I see the candle is price action. So price action na ako. I will go look for the candle na humina na yung kanyang selling pressure at magbabay siya. I would say this is buy. I would place my long position around this area. And then I would place my TP around this area. Let's see how it plays. I would say kapag nagaganyan na po yung kanyang pressure, I would start break even. More around this area is more than enough to take profit, right, guys? Because dito yung side na to is a very strong supply zone. So I would put my demand zone, my supply zone around this area. This is gonna be our new sell side. If I were you guys, let's say for example, I would say I would break even around this area kasi magre-retest siya sa pababa uli. break even before it hits stop loss. Yan yung sinasabi ko sa inyo mo, adjust stop loss to positive position pag nandito na, kapag nag-replay natin dito, adjust stop loss to positive position. Ganyan. So I would put my stop loss around this area. Kung sakaling mag-hit siya dito before it break even, so you don't lose the profit. Just like that. Ganyan lang. Does anyone understands? How do I place? How do you place the triangle trend? Yung triangle trend, I would place my triangle trend so yung triangle trend, let's see. So I would do 2 more examples before I end this. 2 more trades. I will do a live trading. So right now, I don't know where the market is going right here, right? Guys, I will do live trading here. 2 or 3. Let's say 2 or 3. Just 3 lang. Okay? Kasi this is live, right? I don't know where it's gonna go. Okay, so yung ano pang question? How? Yes, bro. Applicable ba yan sa MT5 pag adjust or break even or trading view lang po? You can do trading view in MT5. Ito yung sinasabi kong long position. Sinabi kong break even. Mawawala yung stop loss nyo. So you would adjust your stop loss around this area and this area. Break even. This is what they call the break even. Mawawala yung stop loss nyo. So you would have 100% profits just in case bumaba siya dito. Okay? Okay. So, yung gold, nag-create siya ng ATH. This is what I call the all-time high. Okay? Ngayon, ang gagawin ng gold is gonna grab liquidity. It's gonna grab liquidity, grab. Just like this one, liquidity, grab. Pero hindi pa siya tapos. There's no sign here telling us that it's gonna go down. Yes, pwede po sa MT5 yung break even. Adjust nyo lang po kapag nasa stars na. Yes, pwede. So, I will do 2 more example how to trade. Okay. Let's go 1 hour. So, I would play here. Okay. So, this is my sign. That's my sign right there. I would go on 15 minutes. And this is what I learned. Price action comes into play. I would look for a candle kung nahihina na yung candle, right? Hihina na yung the the buying pressure is gonna lose now. Sellers are gonna come in. I would take my short position around this area. Pupunta ako sa 1 hour time frame. This is what I call the swing. Just to be safe, I would push my stop loss around 2536. I would put my TP around this area. My first TP around there. My TP line is right here. My TP line is right here. So this is TP1, TP2, TP3. Let's see how it plays. Boom. Just like that. It hit our TP1, TP2, and TP3. Right? Ngayon, guys, if you make a profit, for me, for myself, you only need 5 to 6, at least 5 trades in a week. That's more than enough to cover your entire month, basically. Depende sa capital size nyo. Right? Depende yun sa capital size nyo. If you have $500 capital, you would risk 5% of that, which is $50. You will have more trading trades, right? Kaya kayo na i-overtrade. Kung malaki ang capital nyo, I'm not telling you guys to put more capital. I'm just telling that even the expert traders, they have larger capital. They would put big lot size. They would have 2 to 5 trades in a month. That's gonna cover them the entire month. And then they're gonna trade again for the next month, 2 to 5 trades again. Because the more you trade, the more you have the risk. The less you trade, the less losing streak you will have. You will eliminate all those losses. Right? Kapag kayo nag-trade ng 20 trades in a day, what are the chances of you guys are winning out of 20 trades? Marami, di ba? Right? Kapag kayo nag-trade ng 20, you guys know that for yourself. If you guys trade more than 20, you would lose about, I don't know, around 20 trades is like basically there's no more analysis during that time. So, second example. Let's go for second example. Ngayon nakuha na TP3 natin. Let's see how it plays. Dito, tawag natin dito sell and buy position, right? Ito yung last. It's gonna grab a cool liquidity just like this one. There we go. It grabbed liquidity just like so what I said. So what I'm gonna do, guys, I don't have any indicators. This is basically but just my own knowledge. I learned all this through Wow Powers. Nalaman ko lahat to sa Wow Powers, guys. Wala akong indicator, guys. Oh. Like MACD, this is like nothing. It doesn't work. MACD is not gonna work on gold. I've tried so many things already. So, like liquidity grab, I would go for price action. I would enter for long position here kasi nag-liquidity grab na siya. I would say I would take my first profit here. I would place my stop loss around this area, 499, just before 4,500, because before 2,500, that is a very strong demand zone. I would place my first TP here. Second TP here, or just above this line. This is what I call the FVG zone. This is what I call the FVG. FVG stands for fair value gap. Ito. I will place my TP around here. Let's see how it plays. Okay, it hit our first TP and second TP. Right, guys? So ang gagawin niyan, ito na yung bago nating sell side zone. Ito na yung last ha. Last na to, last na. So I would sell here around this area because my liquidity grab sa baba. I will place my stop loss around this area. I will go around all the way here. I would say around here. Let's see how it plays. Nasa 1 hour, pupunta ngayon tayo sa 15 minutes. Price action comes into play. We wait for that candle to close. Hihina yung candle. It hit our first TP. Okay, so around this area, I would break even now so I don't lose my profit. Right? I would adjust my stop loss. Just this much. Para hindi malaki ang talo natin. Secure profit. Okay. Just like that, guys. Yan yung sinasabi ko sa inyo na this is what I call the Saan na yung arrow? Where's my arrow now? This is what I call the down base. Base down. Yeah, drop, base, drop. Or you could go drop, base, down. Drop means down, right? Yes. Hmm. Which is a good example. Parang ganyan, yan. Ganyan, just like that. Right? Ngayon, pumunta na ngayon sa buy zone natin. This yung kanina, right? Pumunta siya ngayon doon. Anong price na niya? 2503. Right? Pumunta na siya doon. There's no sign that tells me that it's gonna buy yet. Kasi isang candle pa lang yun eh. I would say I would monitor that for now. Just like that. Naintindihan nyo guys? Wait for this one's buy. No, this is not buy yet. This is not buy yet.
That was
Kaya nga
early.
sinabi ko sell and buy because there's a chance kasi mayroon pa dito ang demand zone
That was earlier, Kim.
earlier.
Yeah,
that was
yeah.
earlier.
That was earlier, yeah.
Okay.
The first
So,
example.
okay.
I get it a little bit now. Thank you, Kim. You're the best.
Naiintindihan nyo na guys.
Oh.
This is $1 million strategy.
I know. We're so fortunate to have you. You know that. We love you.
Okay, so one more example before we end this call. What do you think is market gonna do here? Tell me. Do you think it's gonna go up or go down?
Go down.
Okay. So, nasa price action tayo ngayon. So, yun yung sign natin. Bigla siyang tumaas.
Go up, yeah.
Yun na yung sign natin. Nag-liquidity grab.
Mm-hmm.
I would place my short position around this area all the way down here. Place my stop loss around here. Let's see how it plays. Adjust our stop loss around here. It hit our stop loss.
So, Kim, you're buying in that area, right?
From this area, I would
Yeah.
buy and I would buy and sell po
Yeah, buy and sell.
this
Okay.
area. So ganun lang. We will have our losers and we will have our winnings. Ganun lang, guys. So I'm gonna end this call now.
Thank you so much, Kim.
Thank you, Kim.
Thank you.
Thank you, Kim.
Thanks po sa
Thank you so
lahat.
much.
Thank you din po sa inyo.
Thank you. God bless everyone.
Picture
Thank you,
tayo.
babe.
Thank you.
Sige, open daw po kayo ng camera. Yung mga
Camera muna. Picture tayo lahat.
yung mga magugulo po dito sa ating trading.
Screenshot.
Po, saan makita ito?
Picture po.
Pakisa na lang sa akin yung mga pictures, please. Sa group chat natin.
Igro. No, take your off. No, sila na lang mag-screenshot. Okay na po.
Nakuha mo sis, Divina.
Naka-share screen pa si Kim eh. So,
No one can do that. Wala na mag-screenshot.
yan.
Yan. Isa na po
Guys,
kayo.
are you guys ready?
Okay na.
Sis,
Ayun na yun.
behave now, sis Patricia.
Naka-share screen pa ako.
Wala na, wala na.
Wala
Ilan
na.
tayo? Isang page na lang ba? Oo nga, nagsalisa na sila. Tayo na lang. Ayan, thank you. Naka-screenshot na. Thank you so much, Kim. Sa lahat-lahat.
Thank
Maraming
you.
salamat.
Thank you po sa inyo. Thank you po sa mga nag-attend. Next time po, si
Share
Owen
na lang
naman. Si
next
Beth
na
Noel
mga
naman.
screenshot.
Sige. Thank you, guys.
Thank you.
Thank you po.
Bye.
Thank you.
Next time, pakain daw sabi ni Brother Alvin.
Pakain naman dyan.
Sige po. Bye-bye po sa lahat.